Hey Queen Boss fam! So today we're getting into my top tips and tricks for resin crafts, especially if you're just getting started. I'm going to keep it real with you like we're chatting over coffee or wine or whatever your vibe is. So grab your drink and let's get into it. Tip 1. All resin ain't created equal. Let me just say it loud for the people in the back. All resin is not created equal, period. Don't just grab the first thing you see online, okay? When you're starting out, try a few different brands. I like to get the 32-ounce sets. You get 16 ounces of part A and 16 ounces of part B. Sometimes they even come with cute little extras like mica powders, molds, or stir sticks, so it's a win-win. My top beginner picks: Craft Resin, Tea Expert, Let's Resin, and Alita. All of those go on sale all the time on Amazon. If I had to choose one for beginners, I'd say Tea Expert. It's set slower, so you've got more time to work with it, which is a lifesaver when you're new. Tip 2, don't go broke on molds. Listen, I know Amazon is right there with that 2-day shipping, but do not overspend on molds. Check Temu and AliExpress. They've got some fire molds for the low. I've been ordering from AliExpress since way back in the day when we were all getting our bundles from there, so I'm not scared. I always use PayPal and I've never had a major issue. And don't sleep on shopresinmolds.com either. She sells molds by the pound, and sometimes you'll find the ones that are hard to get anywhere else. Like my football domino mold, Temu used to have it, but now it's only on Shop Resin Molds. Moral of the story, shop around before you spend big. Tip 3, coloring your resin matters. Let's talk color. You can use mica powders, alcohol inks, acrylic paint, or pigment paste to color your resin. But not all of them work the same. Micas, super beginner friendly. Alcohol inks, usually no problem. But acrylic paint or pigment paste, sometimes they mess with how your resin cures. So when you use those, add just a tiny bit of extra hardener. Nothing crazy, just a little more to make up for the extra liquid. Wear your PPE, sis. This ain't optional. PPE is important. That means gloves, a mask, especially when sanding or using certain resins, and good ventilation. We're not trying to be cute and coughing. Safety first, always. Tip 5, must-have tools for beginners. You don't need a whole lab to get started. Just a few basics: disposable mixing cups, popsicle sticks, 91% alcohol, a silicone mat, gloves, a level for your table, glitter, micas, alcohol inks, and of course, resin and molds. And no, I do not recommend a torch. Get a heat gun instead. It's safer and it gets the job done without risking a fire. We trying to craft, not call 911. Tip 6, say bye to bubbles. I actually made a whole video on this, so I'll link it below, but real quick, let your mixed resin sit for like 5 minutes to let the bubbles rise. Then hit it with the heat gun. Also, keep a mist spray bottle with 91% alcohol. It helps pop surface bubbles fast. You do those 3 things, your resin's gonna come out smooth like butter. Last but not least, and honestly, this is the most important one, if you need help, ask. The resin community is full of cool, creative people. Join Facebook groups, follow creators on TikTok and YouTube, get in the live chats. You'll learn so much. I literally learned everything I know from TikTok and YouTube, and I'm still learning, still picking up gems all the time. If you're shy, hit me in the comments or DM me on TikTok. If I don't know, I'll point you to someone who does. We're in this together. So this video helped you out, or if you just enjoyed our little talk, Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite resin trick? Or what's something you wish someone told you before you started? I'm Queen from Queen Boss Beauty Cartel, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay crafty, stay cute, and keep slaying that resin.